Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Twitter followers. First of all, open Twitter. I already have an account for testing that right now have just 0 followers. Next, open the website smnnavigator.com. It's a great service that I have been using for over years and I trust, which is why I recommend it to you. But right now we only need Twitter. As you can see, we can buy some different services like followers, likes, retweets and even views on tweets on video. For example, I'll choose the first Asian/European followers. The killer feature is that refill opportunity, which means that if some followers will get dropped or some problems, you can click on refill button and followers will come again absolutely for free. The speed of 2000 followers per day, not the fastest rate, but that's only because the followers are live and a very high quality. Just enter the username and amount of 1000 followers. So let's press the pay button. You can choose several payment options by regular credit card through Peer and also by cryptocurrency through Coinbase. I'll choose to pay by card, enter the card data, we receive an SMS with a code and then we are redirected back to the site. In the previous tab, we are given our credentials after auto registration. You can follow the progress of your order directly on the site on the My Orders page. Also, we get a 10% discount for all services for next order. Right now, we need to wait about 5 minutes. It's only been 3 minutes and the followers are already signing up. So as you can see, we got a really much followers. So as you can see, SMM Navigator is really working here. We got even more than we ordered, 1320 followers. So that's it for this video. That's how you can get Twitter followers. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.